The Club Document Management module is a built-in system that records and stores archived copies of documents that have been created during processing within Jonas. It is included for free for all clients. Only those clients who would like to extend the capabilities of what the modules can do for them would need to purchase the Club Document Management Advanced module. We will talk about the Advanced Document Management module in another video. Before we move on, let's have a quick overview. All documents archived in Club Document Management are associated with a single document type. Document types are considered to be a broad range of classes of documents, like chits, statements, audits, reservation documents, payroll documents, etc. Just high-level classification. Each document type is associated with a collection of document attributes that describe the document or act as tags or components. For example, a POS chit is associated with internal chit document type. Member number is associated with statements. Chit number is associated with POS chits. Audit number is associated with journal entries or AP invoices. Since Jonas archives documents automatically, some system or factory document types and attributes are included with the module. These types and attributes are locked. Documents will be added to the document management automatically by the system as processing takes place. This is the only requirement for storing images of POS documents and member statements. There is no other setup required if you A. don't have the Advanced module, or B. if you do, you don't set up your own document types. To configure archiving of club member statements, first go to Club Management, Club Admin, select Club Forms Design, and use the Member Statement Design GJK25GU. Right beside it, on the line, click the flag Does Statement Design Archive? To have the system archive the document. Next, go to Club Management, Inquiries, Statement Archives, Archive Statements, Chits, Shifts, Archive Parameters, to set up the file path on your Jonas server so that all workstations can see it. Click the flag Statements, Sort Chits by Date, and then click the Store Archive as PDF Document flag to have them stored as PDF documents in a naming convention that has the date and member number in the name of the document. POS chits are added during the POS end-of-day process. To configure archiving of POS chits, the first step is to make sure the file path is established and all users have the ability to access it. This is the same step as step number 2 for member statements, previously stated in this video. Under the Point of Sale System, System Setup, System Parameters, Options, check the field Archive Club Chits to archive the POS chits. So now, whenever a POS chit is updated at the end of the day reporting, an image is saved in the format arcp yymm.partition_code. In conclusion, now that the archiving has been turned on, your documents will automatically be added by the system to your document management program and can be viewed in the document management viewer found in several modules. This completes the end of our video, How to Use Built-in System of Document Management. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our Jonas Club Management YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one.